Hello, everyone. The video shows how to integrate YiLu Proxy in WebHarvy for web scraping.
Firstly, configure YiLu Proxy settings as shown video.
YiLu Proxy dynamic IPs are suitable for web scraping. You can change an IP for a request. Then select a location. Click Refresh. Right-click an IP and click Copy IP and Port. Then run WebHarvy.
Click Settings. Click Proxy Settings. YiLu Proxy dynamic IP supports SOCKS5 and HTTP.
Then select Requires Authentication.
Paste IP, port, password, and username from copied YiLu Proxy dynamic IP information.
Then click plus icon.
Then the proxy IP will appear in proxy list.
Click Apply. Then enter a URL that you want to scrape data.
Such as YiLu Proxy blog. https://yilu.us/proxies.
Click Start. Select the desired attribute, blog title. Set the capture text, name title. Then these blog titles on the web page appear on the bottom.
Select the desired attribute, blog date.
Set the capture text, name date. These blog dates also appear. Then click Stop. Click Start Mine. Click Start. The scraped data is shown. Then click Export.
Here I select Export as File.
Select the file directory and enter a name. Then click Export. Now the export completes. Open the file. The scraped data is in the file.
Okay, the video is over.
Thank you for watching and subscribing.